Welcome Sabon family and welcome to Sabon Business 101. Masaya ako at nakasama ka dito sa ating training na to as you take the first step towards building your own sabon business. Alright? So ano bang i-expect natin sa orientation na to? Okay, matututunan mo mga tips on how to build and run your own sabon business. Okay? So kahit na maliit pa lang ang puhunan mo, okay? And even actually, kahit wala kang puhunan ngayon, but you are aiming for something bigger in the future, this is the training that is for you. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So salamat sa pag-join and welcome to Sabon University.